Okay, so this is a Russian artist by the name of Wassily Kandinsky. He was kind of one of the pioneering artists of the abstract art movement. A lot of his work was to do with shapes and colour, like this picture here, which is to do with geometric shapes, such as circles, lots of straight lines, and lots of colours. Kandinsky believed that the most calming, relaxed shape was a circle, especially if it was blue. A blue circle was the best shape, apparently, for being calm and relaxed. So he used to create a lot of works of art like this using circles. Now, this is one of his most famous pieces of art here. This is a really expensive work of art. So going back to what I said about him being a pioneer, that means like he was one of the first people to kind of embrace abstract art and for it to be celebrated and such. If we look at abstract art as a whole, the out of the 5 most expensive works of art ever, at least in the top 5, 3 of them are works of abstract art. So they go for hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, this one here is a nice one in terms of the colour. You could do that if you do when you do your own abstract work of art. We've got yellow into red into purple, and then purple into blue and such. Okay, this one here is a nice one. This is well, it's not actually. Well, depends on how you look at it. I don't particularly like this one, should I say? I think there's too much going on. I think it's too busy. I don't like the composition of it. The composition means basically the arrangement, how the shapes are arranged, how the balance of it I don't like. But again, this is quite a famous work of art of his. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create one of our own. Okay, an abstract work of art using circles. So what you're going to need is a piece of A3 paper. You're going to need your pencil and a compass, if you've got one. A compass would be really good if you had one, or if you can find anything in your bag, or if you're doing this at home, if you can find anything that's got different circles you can draw around, by all means use those. We've been using masking tape in the past, where you can draw around the masking tape. Okay, so you need to get the paper, the pencils, a compass, or anything to draw around circular. Okay, by all means, obviously pause this video while you're getting the stuff that you need. Okay, now when we're ready, what we will do is we will start with obviously a circle. So we've got the circle which we can put. We don't want that here, but I want to make that bigger. So we can use our, if you're in the classroom, you can use your masking tape for this, or if you're at home, we can use whatever you can find. Brilliant to draw around. So we've got that, and then I'm going to get another circle, but this time I'm going to make it smaller, like this. I could put that there, like that, and then I'm going to do another one, I think, here. Okay, like that, and then I'm going to use the mask. If you're at school, I'm going to use the masking tape again to put one next to it, so it touches there like that. And I'm going to do another one here. Okay, I quite like that there. And then I'm going to use a circle here, which kind of combines them all. I might make it a little bit bigger, like that, just a bit bigger there. And I think I might do one here. By all means, when you're doing this, you can pause the video anytime you like, just to catch up. I'm just going to make that a bit smaller. Oops, like this. That's great. And then use various if you've got a compass, obviously that's going to be great. You can make your circles as big as you like. Got one there. Here, like that. Got one there. And then, in fact, I'm going to keep that there. I quite like that one there, to be fair. It's nice. And then one there. And this is all about creating a composition. So making sure the composition, the arrangement is to your liking. Yeah? Just going to make that a little bit bigger. And then put one. Oh no. And then do another one and put this here. Like that. Okay, so what you do now is, I've done the right hand side, we've done this together, then you can complete the, I've done the left hand side, sorry, and you can complete the right hand side here, okay, with the circles, alright? This, in between the circles, is something called negative space. Some people, when we did this in the past, have done the negative space in black, for example. So if you want to do it in black, that's absolutely fine. You can use whatever colours you can find if you're at home, or the colours that have been provided for you if you're in the classroom. And then if you look, if I can show you this one, this is a nice use of colour because they've blended all the colours together, purple into red, into orange, into yellow. Yeah, so that's quite a nice one. And then what you could do if you wanted to, let's say for example, this is an option. Let's say that this area here is red and that circle is blue. That's great. So where the red and the blue meet here, you could do that purple if you wanted, because red and blue make purple. Okay, so what you need to do now is just obviously continue working on this part here. Think about the arrangement, the composition, the negative space, and then when you've completed it, you can apply colour.